In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with PayPal on Amazon.de. Before we get started, it's important to understand one key detail. Amazon.de does not typically let you choose PayPal directly as a checkout option in the same way some other online stores do. So the goal here is to use a payment method connected to your PayPal account, such as a supported card, a linked bank account, or, where available, a PayPal debit card. First, open your PayPal account and check what payment options you currently have available. You want to confirm whether you have a PayPal debit card, if that service is available in your region, a linked bank account, or a linked card that can also be used on Amazon.de. This step matters because Amazon.de only accepts certain payment methods, so you need to make sure you already have a PayPal connected option that can work there. Once you've checked that, go to Amazon.de and sign in to your account. After logging in, move to Account and List, then select your payments. This is the section where you manage the payment methods connected to your Amazon account. From there, click Add a Payment Method and enter the details for your supported card or bank account. Make sure the information is accurate so you don't run into issues later during checkout. After your payment method has been added, you're ready to shop. Add the items you want to buy to your Amazon.de cart, then click Proceed to Checkout. During checkout, choose the payment method you saved earlier. This is the card or bank account connected to your PayPal setup that Amazon.de accepts. Take a moment to review your order details carefully, including the delivery address, selected payment method, and the total amount. When everything looks correct, click Place your order to complete the purchase. If you have a PayPal balance and want to use that money, there's one extra thing to keep in mind. Since Amazon.de may not let you spend PayPal balance directly, a possible workaround is to transfer that balance to your linked bank account if that option is available to you. Then, once the funds are in the bank account, you can use that accepted payment method on Amazon.de to complete the purchase. So overall, the process is really about using Amazon.de with a payment method that's connected to PayPal, rather than selecting PayPal directly at checkout. If you set that up in advance, the checkout process becomes quick and straightforward.